Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important but often overlooked: mental health. You see, in our fast-paced lives, it's easy to forget that our mental well-being is just as vital as our physical health. Lately, I've been on a personal journey of self-discovery, and understanding my mental health has been a significant part of that. Maybe you've been feeling the same way. Perhaps you've had those moments of introspection, wondering what your mental health really says about you. That's what sparked my interest in today's discussion, breaking down the complexities, unraveling the misconceptions, and fostering a more compassionate understanding of our mental well-being. But before we dive in, I want to hear from you. What does mental health mean to you? Take a moment to reflect, and let me know in the comments below. This is a safe space for us to share and learn from each other. Now, we're going to tackle this in a few segments. First up, we'll define mental health in terms we can all relate to. Then, we'll debunk some common misconceptions because, trust me, we've all had them. After that, we'll discuss the impact of stigma and why it's so crucial to break down those barriers. Later, we'll explore the importance of seeking help and maintaining personal boundaries in this journey. So, grab a cozy blanket, maybe a cup of tea, and let's embark on this conversation together. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to dive into the world of mental health with me. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already, so you won't miss out on the upcoming segments. Alright, folks, let's kick things off by unraveling the concept of mental health. It's a term we hear often, but what does it really mean? To put it simply, mental health is all about the well-being of our minds. It's not just the absence of mental illness, it's a state of balance where we can cope with the normal stresses of life, work productively, and contribute to our communities. Think of it like a scale. On one side, you have factors that contribute to good mental health, things like positive relationships, a sense of purpose, and effective coping mechanisms. On the other side, there are challenges that can tip the scale: stress, trauma, and other life experiences. Mental health encompasses emotional, psychological, and social well-being. It affects how we think, feel, and act. It influences how we handle stress, relate to others, and make decisions. We're all on this journey together, and understanding our mental health is a continuous process. It's not a destination but a path we navigate every day. So, as we continue our exploration of mental health, keep in mind that it's a dynamic and personal experience. Now that we have a foundation, let's delve deeper into the complexities. Join me in the next segment as we debunk some common misconceptions about mental health. Don't forget to hit that like button.